Hello everyone, Cheryl Ann here. I thought I'd do a book haul video since I have a couple bags of books. And these are the first ones from Restore, which is the Habitat for Humanity store that we have in Palm Desert. I know it's from them because their books are always $2 and they always have the date stamped on them. I've had The Help for a while. I've seen the movie and I've never read the book, so I might actually keep that one out and read it myself. So I've got The Perfect Couple, one of the Aileen Hilderbrand, and I have Hotel Nantucket, which was the first of her books that I ever read, and I absolutely loved it. I laughed, I cried, it was great. So these two will be out in my library Tuesday morning for my cleanup Tuesday. And then I've had copies of this book and they immediately go out. It's Alexander McCall Smith who wrote hold on a second. Oh, The Ladies Number One Detective Agency. I love his books. Oh my gosh, they're so much fun. So this one will go out there. Then these I think were from one of my local libraries. I haven't read that one, but I like the storyline. And then Bachman, he's written, yeah, A Man Called Ove. Yeah, so this one will be out there. And then All the Light We Cannot See, I found it in paperback. I'm like, oh, I'm grabbing that from my little free library. So that one will go out to my little free library. And then they had both of these books. So I grabbed both of them because they're both by Laura Hildenbrand. They're the only two books she's ever written, and she's such an excellent author. If you haven't read Seabiscuit, just read it. I grew up with stories of Seabiscuit because my grandfather used to take my mom and my aunt over to Santa Anita Racetrack to watch him run. But it's a well-written book. It's a story of, it's a story of, starts out in the Depression. And, it's people didn't throw things away back then, including horses. I have not read Unbroken. I saw the movie and I really liked it. And I have a couple copies of this one. So, but these two will go out in my little library as a set. And then I found this one, The Pioneer Woman. This is her book, A Love Story. I thought it was her recipe book, but no, there aren't any recipes in here. So this is her story, but I think somebody would enjoy that. Then I've got The Lincoln Highway. His books they always go right out. So I found another copy of that. And Apples Never Fall. Her books always, they're gone in a day. So now I have Apples Never Fall. And William Kent Kruger, his books are always, they always go right in and out. I have one or two that I've kept in my to be read pile. This one will go out in the library. Michael Conley books, they always kind of come in and go right away. So I think this is his newest one. Yeah, because it's got Renee Ballard and Harry Bosch, and they just teamed up. Got The Personal Librarian. And I always loved Nevada Bar books, hunting season. So I found this one, and I'm going to put it out there. So let's take a look at what I have here. Okay, so I have 15 books that I'm going to work into my little free library this week. I think I did pretty good. What do you think? Are these good choices? I think so. I'm happy. So they'll be out in my little free library this week. So come on by if you can. Till next time. Bye for now.